Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Do you find that you're always looking for a place to plug things in? We've had such great success with this awesome surge protector. This is from Fararaka. And let me tell you, this is the mother lode of places to plug things in, and you'll never need to attach one thing to another again. The possibilities are really endless when it comes to this awesome surge protector. It is a 21-in-1 power strip. So you can see that it has the 16 outlets and 5 USB ports. I really love that the cord is so long you could almost jump rope with it, but literally that is awesome because you can place it somewhere far away from where you actually need to have your plugs. It's also really slim, so it fits into the smallest of spots. This is a space in between my bed and my nightstand, so I could definitely store it there and not worry about it tipping over and still have plenty of room for plugs. In addition, I really like it because as you have different things plugged in, it does not lose power, but everything stays working well. You don't see any lights flickering, and you can just keep plugging things in and plugging things in to make this work for you. If you find that you are plugging one surge protector into another, you won't have to have that problem anymore with this awesome tower surge protector from Fararaka. This provides such great solutions and options, and I love that it will store everything in one spot. But that's just my point of view.